All right. After watching those videos, let's make sure that we have some basic understandings of the two types of asymptotes: the horizontal versus the vertical. And in both situations, there's three important parts that I want you to know. Okay. First off, with horizontal asymptotes, the graph can cross it. There seems to be this misunderstanding that you cannot cross a horizontal asymptote. So if we have our little graph down here, let me try that, do a little better job than that. We have our graph, okay, and this dotted line is going to represent the asymptote. Let me try that again. Okay, this is our asymptote, and maybe we have another one down here. Okay, we can have a graph that crosses the X or Y axis. It is okay. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay. Another thing we need to know about horizontal asymptotes, they show end behavior. Okay. That's what a vertical asymptote does. It shows us what's happening when we go to the left and when we go to the right. Another thing we need to know, so number 3, is you can have more than one. Okay? There's nothing that says you're only allowed to have one horizontal asymptote. On the other side of it is our vertical asymptotes. Okay? And this is important for us to know. The first thing is that the graph will not cross it. So Gandalf in the video, the You Shall Not Pass, he's a vertical asymptote. Okay, graph cannot cross it. So if we have our graph down here, screwed that one up. Hold on, bear with me. Okay, if we have our graph, okay, maybe we have a horizontal asymptote here. I'm sorry, I should say vertical asymptote here. Maybe we have another one here. Okay, our graph will be stuck in between those lines. But it'll never get to the point. It'll get infinitely close to it, but never gets there. Okay? Another thing we need to know is that the graph will turn up or down. And that's because of the fact that the graph can't cross the line. And the last thing you need to know is the same for number 3 on horizontal, is you can have more than one. If you look at a tangent graph, you have more than one. So those are just some quick details of asymptotes.